I will be honest with you. I've made quite some mistakes when I invest in the stock market. Those mistakes were not cheap. They cost me money. When I started working 15 years ago for one of the larger European investment banks, I was responsible for the clients with larger portfolios. When those people lose money, that hurts them, but it also hurts me. The co-teachers and myself have over 60 years of combined real-life experiences with clients, investors that trade on the stock market. We know where they make mistakes, but we also know what they are doing well. That knowledge we want to share with you.
Why should you invest? If you look at the circle of happiness, probably you will know it, that exists out of 6 parts, and one part of it is financial freedom. And to use the part of investing to the stock market is a really good part to be successful. And that's the goal where we invest for, to generate more income, to be financial more free.